Hey friends, Elizabeth here from Plant-Based Bride, back again with another video. And today I am super excited to do a full unboxing of Archer & Olive's second subscription box. This is the box that launched on March 1st, and some people have started receiving their boxes already, which is super exciting. So it is time to reveal all of the goodies in here. So if you ordered a box and you don't want to be spoiled, then X out of this video now before you see anything. But if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. I'm really excited to show you all of the amazing things that are in this box. So a couple things to mention before I open this up. This box is selling for $70 US. There are still a few in stock, so if you watch this video and really want to get the exclusive goodies inside, nothing that's in this box is available anywhere else other than this box. So if you want to buy one for yourself, there are still some in stock as of me filming this, but who knows how quickly those will sell out. So I'll have a link in the description box down below, which you can shop if you want to pick one up for yourself. Unfortunately, you can't use discount codes on these boxes, but if you use the link in the description box, that's my affiliate link. I get a small commission for referring you. So it's kind of a fun way to support me while also getting all the amazing goodies that are in this box. The box also weighs more than 8 pounds. It is really hard for me to pick up like this. I'm shaking. I'm so excited to show you. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry, I'll stop torturing you. The last thing I will say is that this box contains over $200 USD value. So if you do decide to get this box, you are getting a huge amount of value for what you are spending. So without further ado, let's open this baby up and show you what's inside. Here we go. Here is our box. I'm so excited. Okay, so when you get your box, you will have a little card inside. This is the journey box. And Bonnie was talking about how, we haven't been able to travel for a while now. And so many of us are dreaming of the places we will go, the places we want to see when we can finally travel freely again. And this box is all about dreaming up where we're going to go and making plans for those journeys we're going to take, or continuing to work on internal journeys, which a lot of us have been doing over the past year. So there's also a QR code you can scan to get some help with how to use certain things in the box, some inspiration. So the first item that we have in here are sticker packs, which is super exciting. These are the sticker packs. There are 2 sheets of each design. So the first set is the more practical set. So at the top here, we have days of the week with gold foil and the beautiful pastel cloud background. We also have days of the month here on this beautiful sort of periwinkle purpley blue tabs here. Lots of goodies here. And again, there are 2 sheets of these designs. Next, we have all of the fun themed stickers. So these are all about journey, traveling, hot air balloons. We have an adorable little submarine. So adorable. And again, there's 2 of those there. So we've got our sticker packs. The next item in here is one of the most exciting in this box, in my opinion. Archer & Olive has never done anything like this before, so you may be able to tell what this is. This is a canvas tote bag, and it is beautiful. This is really nice, thick canvas, this screen printed pattern all over. I love the combination of the botanical drawings and then the celestial drawings. It's 2 of my favorite things put together. I also love the simplicity of the white bag with the black detailing. In the corner here, we have the Archer & Olive logo. This is on a really nice faux leather stitched on. And then of course, because Archer & Olive never does anything halfway, the inside has pen loops to hold your necessities and a zippered pocket. I love that they included these. And the back is just the plain white. Next up, we have something else that Archer & Olive has never done before. They have created stamps. So these are acrylic stamps and they're clear. And the way that it works is that you have all of these options for your stamps, and then you have an acrylic block that you can stick them on so that you can see through the acrylic block as you use them and make sure that the placement's exactly the way you want it. I love that because, as y'all know, I love stamps so much. I use them all the time. But one of the biggest drawbacks for me with stamps is trying to get the placement right, since the ones I have solid backing. They're on wood, so you can't see exactly where you're placing the stamp. And sometimes it ends up being a little wonky. So the fact that these are clear and you have the clear backing means that you can be incredibly precise with where you put the stamps, which is awesome. So this has a variety of things as well, some that are more practical and then some that are more decorative. So we have days of the week in print and also in cursive. We also have some calendars and habit tracker boxes. And then we also have some fun things like a hot air balloon, some of Bonnie's classic botanical drawings again, some headers you may need more often like goals to do in notes. So lots of options here. We also have 2 inks. So the box comes with a black ink and a gold ink. So you have some options there. And then we also have the backing for the stamps. So there's a large one here and then also a small one. So you have some options and you just have to remove the protective backing so that you'll have the nice clear acrylic block. I know it seems like I've already talked about a bunch of items, but there are still 4 more things left in this box. So the next thing we have in here is an Acrylic Graph box. And these are 5 brand new exclusive colors of Acrylic Graphs. And when I tell you this is such a beautiful color palette, y'all are gonna love this. So here are the colors. How beautiful are those? So here we have kind of a cross between periwinkle blue and lavender. We have a magenta, a beautiful golden yellow, a seafoamy green, and a nice dusty peachy rose. Such beautiful colors, and they're all the 0.7 millimeter nibs. So the 0.7 millimeter is the finer point, and they're more versatile because you can use them to do fine details, but you can also use them to fill in larger spaces if you so wish. If you're unfamiliar with acrylic graphs and you want to learn more about them, I do have a whole video talking about how to use them, troubleshooting, basic things to know, how to replace the nibs, all kinds of things. So check that out if you want to learn more about acrylic graphs. I'll link it in the cards up here and also in the description box down below. So those are the 5 brand new acrylic graph colors. They are so beautiful. And now on to probably most people's most anticipated items. This box came with 3 exclusive notebooks. So these, again, are notebooks that are not available anywhere else. They're not available on the Archer and Olive site, and I'm super excited about them. So first of all, before anything, let's look at the boxes for these notebooks because they are just stunning. I know I shared photos of these on my Instagram leading up to the launch, but I just can't get over how beautiful this pastel cloud background is with the gold foil stars and the hot air balloon. I feel like I need to put up a new shelf in my studio just to display these boxes. So nice. Okay, enough of that. Let's look at what's in here. So this is the first exclusive notebook in the subscription box, and it's traveler sized. And this is what it looks like. So this is the notebook. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. So this is a stunning purple traveler sized notebook, but as you'll notice, instead of opening sideways as usual, we have this beautiful gold spiral bound top, and it flips open like a reporter's notebook with the elastic along the bottom. You might also notice that instead of the classic cloth cover, this notebook has a beautiful textured vegan leather cover. So this is awesome for anyone who doesn't prefer the cloth covers. I know some people struggle with keeping those clean or feeling like they get dusty. This is an awesome alternative, and they really picked such a beautiful textured vegan leather for this. Just gonna pop this off so we can look at what's inside here. You might notice that this says dot grid here. That's actually just a misprint. I have an early box, so those things happen sometimes, but it's not actually dot grid. Let's take a look here. This is a blank notebook. So this is actually a sketchbook with the same 160 GSM paper in all of Archer and Olive's notebooks, but they are blank sheets. So this is a really awesome option to take around with you. Just say you're going for a walk and you want to be able to sketch things you see on the way, or if you're traveling to be able to sketch architecture, or if you're people watching in a cafe in Paris, that's what I'm dreaming of doing once this whole situation is over. This is the perfect notebook to bring with you. It's small, so it's easy to throw in your bag, but has that stunning high quality paper that we know Archer Archer and Olive for, and just all of the details. It has the pen loop. Again, it has that gorgeous gold spiral at the top. It even has a little pocket at the back. And of course, this gorgeous vegan leather purple cover. Just so beautiful. So I'm super excited about this. I would love to see more reporter style notebooks from Archer and Olive. We'll see if they come out with any new ones, but I was super excited to open the package and see this inside. And now we've come to the final 2 notebooks in here, the last 2 items. I have hyped these up a lot on my Instagram because I was so excited about them. You may notice how huge these boxes are. These are the largest size notebooks that Archer and Olive has ever made. There are 2 of them. They're the same size. They're actually 8.5 by 11. Nice and big, again, in this gorgeous exclusive packaging, this box. I will never get over how pretty it is, but I know you really want to see what's inside. So let's open this up. So this is the first notebook. I can't even get it all in frame. It's so big, but let's do a little reveal before I open it all the way up. So this is the first notebook and it is stunning. So let's take a closer look here. We have a gorgeous airship. This, as you can see, is a dot grid notebook and it has 112 pages. That's just to keep the notebook from being ridiculously heavy to carry around, because this is a very large notebook and it has the hard cover and the nice thick paper. So if we had too many pages in here, it would have been super heavy. So this notebook also has this really beautiful textured vegan leather, and it's in this really bright teal color. So much fun. So let me open it up and show you the pages. So here is the inside. So much space. So here are the dots here, the same 5mm dot grid as in all of Archer and Olive's notebooks, the same bright white 160 GSM paper. So here is the first large notebook, just stunning and so perfect for this theme with the airship on the front. And now we've come to the final item in this box, and this is one of the ones that I am most excited to use. It was the first one that I knew what I wanted to use it for when I first went through everything in the box. So let's take a look. As I mentioned, it's the same size as the last one, again in the same beautiful box, but this one is a little different. Let me take it out. I'm going to move this box off to the side so we can get a little bit of an easier look. So this is our final notebook. How beautiful is this? This one has the classic Archer and Olive cloth cover. So if you are more of a cloth cover fan, you do still get one cloth cover notebook in this box. This stunning deep red with a pink undertone, I guess leaning towards burgundy. And I love this gold compass design on the front. It's just so classic and beautiful. This is again 112 pages with the bright white 160 GSM paper, just like the other one. This one, as you might notice, has lined paper. So again, it has all of the same details. It has the elastic closure, the pen loop, and it also has the 2 bookmarks. Again, one of them with the little ampersand charm. And this is what the lined pages look like. So there's a nice margin on the sides and a nice mid-tone gray line here. Now I know not everyone is going to be big on the idea of a lined notebook, but I am so excited to be able to use this for long form journaling. It's something that I've been trying to get into more this year as I try to focus more on my mental health. So I'm almost done the smaller notebook that I've been using, the smaller lined notebook that I've been using to write out my thoughts. And this one seems like such a perfect follow-up. Lots of space for me to write as much as I need. And of course, absolutely beautiful. So we've got our 2 large notebooks here. We have our small travel size reporter sketchbook, our 5 gorgeous Acrylic Graph pens in new exclusive colors, our acrylic stamps with the blocks, as well as the inks, the tote bag, and the stickers. And that's everything in the journey box. So as you can see, there are so many goodies in here. Everything is exclusive, not available any other way but through this box. I am so excited to be able to start to use these without having to be all secretive. I can't even tell you. I would love to know in the comments down below which item you're most excited about. Do you love the reporter style notebook? Do you love the tote bag? Maybe you're as excited about the idea of our journal of stamps as I am. Or maybe it's the new giant sized notebooks or the exclusive colors, or maybe the beautiful gold foil stickers. Let me know in a comment. I would love to know what catches your eye the most. I'm also really curious to know whether you bought the box or not, what you would use the 3 notebooks for, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in this way ever on my channel, and I wasn't going to do one for this box, but I did a poll on my Instagram and the vast majority of you wanted to see an unboxing, so I decided to throw one together. I hope you enjoyed it, and with that, I'm gonna get going. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye, friends.